As early as the late 1700s, groups of Cherokees began emigrating west and settling in present-day Arkansas. They became known as the Cherokee Nation West, or Old Settlers. After the Western Cherokee chief Talentiski visited Brainerd Mission in 1818, he recognized the benefits of offering a Western education to Cherokees. He requested that the American Board of Commissioners for Foreign Missions establish a school in Western Cherokee country, and in 1820, Dwight Mission was founded near present-day Russellville, Arkansas. In 1828, the Cherokee Nation West reluctantly signed a treaty that ceded all lands in Arkansas for lands in Indian Territory. 1 year later, in 1829, Dwight Mission was relocated to its current site on Salisaw Creek in what would become the Cherokee Nation. In addition to the academic education and agricultural training at the school, the mission served as sort of a community gathering place for Cherokees. There was a post office on site, and public church services were conducted in both English and Cherokee. The Dwight Mission Press published materials in both languages, and Sequoyah, who lived in the area, was said to frequent the mission as well. Though it closed several times over the years from 1830 to 1948, Dwight Mission operated primarily as a school for Indian students. Levada Wildcat is one of the last surviving students. She visited with us at Dwight Mission and shared her stories of attending school there.
Our mother died in 1946, and Father decided to bring us to Dwight Mission. Everyday life was just entirely different. We had Bible classes, and there was music in the evenings, and there were work details that every student was assigned to. We had a lot of sewing and beadwork they taught us after school. Before bedtime, many times, Mr. Griffin would meet us under one of those shade trees and talk to us about history of Dwight Mission. It was lots of fun, very wholesome fun.
Dwight Mission is currently operated as a summer camp. Every summer, kids experience history as they utilize some of the same buildings that Levada and generations of Cherokees lived, learned, and played in.